Hi everyone! Ngayon po ay gagawa ko ng order. Ito po ay tinatawag ko na coconut cupcake. So, abangan nyo kasi I'm going to teach you how. The recipe is just very easy. Sobrang daling gawin. Mabibili nyo lang sa merkado or sa pinakamalapit na tindahan yung mga ingredients. Ang unang kailangan natin is 100 grams na margarine, 1/3 cup of sugar, mixed in together, 2 pieces eggs, vanilla, 1 big can of condensed milk, 2 cups desiccated coconut, 2 cups flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and vanilla. So, after mixing together, you just set aside for 30 minutes. Tapos, i-prepare nyo lang yung mga molders. And then, you get the dough, yung mixed butter, and then place it in a dipping bag so it looks like this. Ganyan lang. Gupitin natin dyan sa tip ng dipping bag. Tapos, ilagay natin sa molders. And then, i-prepare lang natin yung oven natin ng up to 180 degrees and then preheat it 10 minutes before natin isalang. So, you have to bake this for around 15 minutes only. Sobrang dali. So, ito na, natapos na siya. I was able to make a bite size of 55 pieces. You can also make around 60 pieces depende sa laki nito. And then, actually, I just learned this on my own kasi one time, mayroong umorder sa akin ng coconut macarons tapos nagkamali ako sa flour na na-add at saka muntik ko na siyang itapon. Kasi nagalit ako and then muntik ko na siyang ipakain sa manok. And then I tried to bake it and then it tastes so very good. Sobrang hindi siya masyadong matamis, hindi siya nakakaumay. And then, pwede nyo siyang idagdag pang negosyo. Tapos, pwede rin siyang ibenta ng pang maramihan like this one box. We have around 60 pieces. I think 55. Or, per dozen na lang. So, you can make around 4 dozen out of this. And then, depende na lang yung presyo na ibigay nyo. For me, sa ganito karami, I sell this for 350 pesos. So, not bad. So, I think that's all for this video, guys. I hope meron kayong natutunan at sana support us by subscribing and watching our videos down below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!